say I want to graph this function when it's in this form here. Straight off the bat I can see that my x-intercepts, okay, are at x equals -3 and also at x equals 1, okay, because if x is -3 this gets turned to 0, okay, if x is 1 this whole thing gets turned to 0, so you're finding it when this is equal to 0, so you can just look at that and get the intercept straight away, okay. Now how would I get my axis of symmetry when I've just got the two intercepts? Well, it's right in the middle of these two x-intercepts. You know, if that's -3 there and that's 1, okay, my axis of symmetry is going to be right in the middle. So how do I find that middle? Here's what you do. You just go -3, add 1, and divide it by 2. So the axis of symmetry is -1. That's right in the middle. So that's the equation of the axis of symmetry. If I wanted to get the y-intercept, I'd just find f of 0, so make x 0. So it's going to be 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0 take 1. That is going to equal -6. So the y-intercept is -6. Okay. If I wanted to get the coordinates of the vertex, I've got the x-coordinates, -1. So I'd just go, so for the vertex or turning point, which is going to be a minimum, because that's positive, okay, so it's going to be the minimum, I'd just get my axis of symmetry and go, so that's x equals -1, so I'd go f of -1, and so that would be -1 plus 3, -1 take 1, okay, that gives me 2 times 2 times 2, sorry, times -2, so that's -8, okay, so therefore this minimum occurs at -1, -8, okay, so I've got everything I need to do a quick sketch of the graph. Alright, so the minimum's at -1, -8, which would be down here somewhere, okay, the intercept was -6, that's -6 there. The x-intercepts are at -3 and 1, so your graph will look something like that, okay. Oops, can you see on the screen? Okay, and that's the axis of symmetry crossing at -1.